Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor, SPCGCA Zoology. आज हम Natural Resources Part 3 Vegetation of India के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. For the distribution of vegetation of India, the most important factors are rainfall, temperature, biotic influence and life forms. In India, two common types of plant formations are there, forest and grassland. Forest, number one, tropical forest, warm plains are there, trees, shrubs are there. A, moist tropical forest. Number one, tropical wet evergreen forest. 250 centimeter annual rainfall is there. West coast of Assam, Bengal, Andaman Islands, small trees, shrubs, epiphytes, Dipterocarpus, Hopia, Artocarpus, Mangifera, Emblica, Michaelia, Ervetemia, Legerstramia, Ixora and some climbers are the examples. Tropical moist semi-evergreen forest. These are north forest. Trees shed their leaves. North Assam, Bengal, Orissa, heavy rainfall is there. Tropical moist deciduous forest, Kerala, Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Bengal, Orissa, North Orissa, teak and sal forests are present. Terminalia, Grevia, Tectona grandis, Edina, Melia, Albizia and Dalbergia are present. Shoria robusta is dominant in Gorakhpur and Tarai regions of UP, Assam, Bengal. Terminalia tomentosa, Dillenia and Eugenia species are present. Dry tropical deciduous forest, Punjab, UP, Bihar, Odisha, neither wet nor too dry. Trees of 2.5 meter length are present. Sparse canopy, thorny shrubs, grass, bamboo, Enogesus latifolia, Acacia catechu, Terminalia tomentosa, Boswellia, Dendrocalamus, Emblica, Woodfordia, Floribunda, Shoria robusta, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, MP, Karnataka, Terminalia, Enogesus latifolia, Tectona grandis, Diospyros, Melanoxylon, Boswellia species are present. Dendrocalamus, Bambusa, Lantana, Helicteris, Panicum, Andropogon and Heteropogon are present. Montane subtropical forest, hills of South India. These are present on hills of South India. Nilgiri, Mahabaleshwaram, Pachmadi. Altitude is 300 to 5,600 feet. Cooler than tropical and warmer than temperate forest. Trees are Eugenia, Actinodaphne, Canthium, Mangifera, Ficus, Piper, Natern, Smilex, Macrophylla. North areas, tall trees are present. Eastern Himalayas, because of high humidities, bamboos, epiphytes, orchids and fern are present. क्योंकि ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज में ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए वहां पर बैम्बूज, एपिफाइट्स, ऑर्किड्स और फर्न प्रेजेंट होते हैं. Now comes temperate forest. These are 5,300 feet altitude, mountains of Himalayas, Nilgiris, oak, conifers, sholas, Utakmon, Nilgiri hills, Tamil Nadu, grass, evergreen tall trees are present. Hopia, Artocarpus, Hatsuta, Salmelia, Malvaricum, moss, woody climbers, ferns and epiphytes are present. Alpine vegetation 11,000 feet divided into subalpine, alpine, moist alpine scrubs, dry alpine scrubs. Increased altitude, height is less. Examples are sedum, primula, saxifraga and lichens. Now comes grassland vegetation. Grass is not the climax. It is developed secondarily due to destruction of forest. Edaphic factors, biotic factors, three main types of grasslands are present. तीन मेन तरह के ग्रासलैंड्स होते हैं, जीरोफिलस, Northwest India, semi-desert. Mesophilus, savanna, extensive grass flats. These are present in UP. Hygrophilus, wet savanna are present. Thank you.